Hello, my name is Jason Martin, Senior Director of Product Development for Starcraft RV. Today we're here to talk to you a little bit about what's new for model year 2023. So let's take a look at what we got going on the outside. As you can see here, we've changed the exterior of this Super Lite. We went from our hi-ho silver, we went to a more crisp, clean white. We kept our green in our graphics. That's just our signature kind of standout for our Starcraft Super Lites. Some of the other things that we have going on pop up inside here in the storage compartment. As you can see, if you look up underneath here, you're going to see a battery disconnect. That's new for 2023 as part of the standards. And sometimes you'll also see this little box right here. That is part of our new inverter pre-wire, which goes in conjunction with our Extend Solar system. Last year we had solar on some of our products. This year we've taken it up a little bit notch. We have Extend Solar 1, which that is one 200-watt solar panel and a 30-amp solar controller. We have Extend Solar 2, which that also gives you two 200-watt solar panels, a 30-amp solar controller, and an 1800-watt inverter. So that box is your inverter pre-wire. That can support up to an 1800-watt inverter. When we get inside, we're going to talk to you a little bit more about what inverter or what outlets are on that inverter pre-wire. Let's go ahead and take a look on what's on inside. So here we are inside the new 2023 model year Starcraft Super Lite. Some of the things that you're going to notice new for this year is we've got the roll-up strainer, which makes it nice to be able to dry your dishes and stuff on one side, and then we have the bamboo cutting board. One of the other things that you're going to probably notice is we went with black fixtures throughout, so we've kind of upgraded to those new trends that we're seeing inside the homes. Other thing, backsplash wallboard on the back side. As you're flowing around this way, you're also going to notice we've got the new JBL stereo system. This is new for 2023. This is the JBL Cube. It's a dual mode, dual zone. So you have zone 1 on the inside. You can be playing music or watching something through the TV. And then you have zone 2, which is the outside, which you'll have JBL speakers on the outside also, which can be playing something. You could be Bluetooth and music on the outside. New for 2023, all the TVs are smart TVs. So there's an upgrade. One of the other things that we've got is, you'll notice back here on our nightstands, is we have those pop-up USB chargers. Not only can you plug a USB in there, but you can also lay your phone on it and it'll charge. Those are on either side of the bed, model depending, floor plan specific. New also is we've added some mirrors to our wardrobe doors, just to give it a little bit more bright, makes things look a little bit bigger. As we're coming around, as you can see, we've got nice big light. Everything is going on well inside here. We're going to step inside the bathroom and we're going to show you some of the other upgrades that we have going on inside there. We have some black fixtures on our shower surround. And then we also have a high-rise faucet with black fixtures. Those are just some of the things that we have going on in this new Starcraft Super Lite. As you might see, it seems like it's a little bit brighter in here this year. Well, one of the reasons why is we changed our wall board to want something a little bit lighter, and then our accent wall board we lightened up just a little bit, but it gives you that nice contrast that you're seeing throughout. Before I go, let's talk about those inverter pre-wires we forgot. So you're going to have multiple outlets that are on that inverter pre-wire, and what does that do for you? Well, that gives you one of the two or both outlets on either side of the bed, depending on floor plan specific. That's going to let you run your refrigerator. If it has an outside kitchen and it has a refrigerator, it's going to let you run that one also. It's going to let you run your main TV off that inverter pre-wire. So it gives you a lot of flexibility. And why would you say, why would we do the refrigerator? So if you have the gas electric, typically a lot of people like to have that running as they're running down the road. If you have an inverter in it, or you got the Extend Solar package too, you can run that refrigerator as you're going down the road from the batteries, charged from your truck. Again, thank you for taking a look at what's new for 2023 on the Starcraft Super Lite.